Ojiako, my brother. Oji. My eyes have seen my ears. Where you go, Nana? Even maybe go. Nuku even me.
Okolo, why are you sounding like this?
Ojiako. Oji. Ibe is dead.
Bano!
Yeah. Hey, Dogwaji Ajambo, Dogwaji Anaka is no more. Hey! Hebo! That notorious criminal, Ejina, has killed him. Wokaiji Ajamba, Wokaiji Anaka, Udogu Puto, Ubude Ajolo is no more. Hebo! Tibia. Hebo!
We are in danger. We are no longer serving this community.
Right, very right.
There is an insider in our midst. This evil has taken another dimension.
I agree with you completely. Totally. You are right. Oji, my dear, it's just that I know that we're under the cover of the gods. Hey! By the way, Ojiako, what is the meaning of that list? What is the meaning of that list? What?
Can't you hear when the Igwe said Ejina sent in the list? That anybody's name that is in that list must be killed.
Hey! Ojiako, Awamo. Muawa, I will be traveling to Ikom. Let me go and stay with my mother's brother, my maternal uncle. Man of one and Millie.
Okolo, don't tell me you are running away from your house because of that small boy. Okay, tell me, what about your daughter? Are you traveling with her?
That one? No. I'm not bothered about my daughter at all. Akadiyama yashinyenisiye mona abuya monimie or in any opening also ko habulu ni ikie even na wife na analiem njere many road mbanu and I'll talk to you later. Chokwa ino ino Kodi nekwanya ndi Igbo si na ebunudu azu obiog nkuru ka buru ujo Kodi
I, Ojiako, I cannot run away from this community or leave my house because of that small boy. Ejina, you have bitten more than you can chew. Tejina, Tiejina, Mbano, say.
Papa?
Yes, my dear.
Where are you going to?
Sorry, I didn't tell you. I'm traveling to Ekom, to my maternal uncle's place. He asked that I come and join him because he's very sick. He said I should come and assist him. That's where I'm going to.
Papa, so when did you become a doctor?
No, I didn't say I'm going to Ekom as a medical doctor, no. Just to go and help my uncle. In any case, I will not stay long. I'll just be there briefly for 2 days.
No wahala now. In that case, just take care of yourself.
And you take care of the house, eh?
No problem, Papa. Be safe. Safe journey.
Ojiako, you are welcome to the great Odinga, the king of the whole deity. Speak!
Odinga, Odinga, the great Odinga, the king of all Dibias. I salute you. Odinga, I have been troubled by a notorious criminal called Ejina. I no longer sleep in my house. My eyes are heavy. My mind cannot rest. Odinga, I have come for protection. Please help me.
Again, you so called because you will be a bomb. But I know I can warrior. Robo, I say, Cobble, again. Stand on your feet, Ojiako. These items contains all the protection that you need. Bury the calabash in your compound. Blow the gunpowder in the air. All you desire will come to pass.
The great Odinga, nkaka mwete mukako isi, awaku edike, ofanya yeti waledike, biakene bianolonu, ekenengi, a great Odinga. Thank you, I salute you.
Ojiako, go, because your prayer has been answered.
Thank you, great one.
Go, Ojiako.
Ụmụ ibe ịghọtago nke a abago ịghọtago so ọbụna ozi onto the next one ịghọtago so ọbụna the info tukwa down nga update ka ọma ịghọtago
no ya one all the mapos are ready. Nothing dey happen.
Hey, you dey
How dey get now?
Mba anya na funti
Mbano.
Anebuzi
Bebe kwano.
Anebuzi
Bebe kwano.
O de lewa mama.
Chai.
O de lewa mama.
Odiliwa mama. Odiliwa mama.
Only oko by low key things ịghọtago kwa ikwana cho hideout Bezlima advert kibu otile mfo cho fun okona to wi anya ego ni cho komi na oko biko confirm anya na funti
Mbano.
anya na funti
Mbano.
ani buzi ani
Odiliwa mama.
Nwaka nwili nna m mba ebe fama kwa nwa m nwa ijele nna m arode mmefukwala ife iyi arode ye mma
God bless the day you conceive me. So the name
Ọkwa ego. Nna, ọmụmụ.
Odogwu ọgaghị na-eme. Golibenu.
Hey! Kene ya o. Afa ya bụ ịfụnanya kene ya o. Chineke onye isi udo kene ya o. Ọ fụrụ mụ ya n'anya kene ya o. Afa ya bụ ịfụnanya kene ya o. Chineke onye isi udo kene ya o. Ọ fụrụ mụ ya n'anya kene ya. Ihe mụ nwe nke a. Ga-akpọwalibe nkụ. Stove. Nna m bịa ọ dịka ịma esi m ofe onugbu dị mma.
Onugbu.
Ewu. Nwa ijele.
Udo, ikutike, why me man? I didn't know what you what did you want? I think you know what did you make? Hey! Ewe! Oh, you! Oh, you! Let me look around and make sure my compound is well secured. Nobody can intimidate me in this community. Ah! Ah! Good. Yes. I think everywhere is secure. Welcome. I am here. Ịgbara mgbu nkịta na-amịghalị udo Oshimiri! Udo! You want to fall the guy. Nobody falls the guy. Get on your knees. I am sorry. It is my fault. Please. I am sorry. There is no sorry in our dictionary. And I seen do. I seen do ebidonisi. Udo! The guy! Oshimiri! Ana doga.
Mugu. Where la lugo? La la.
This is serious. This boy is trying to fulfill his project. Now, who knows who is going to be the next victim? Now, gods of our land, please help us. Utunho community is helpless.
Your Highness. Are you alright?
I'm having pains all over my body. You see, waist pain, chest pain, and the rest of that.
Your Highness, are you traveling?
Yes, of course. I'm traveling to Jos.
Igwe, isn't Jos too far away for a medical checkup?
That is where my doctor recommended me for the checkup.
I wish you a safe journey.
Thank you. Remember, do not let anybody know of what happened.
Trust nobody will hear of it.
Take it easy.
Enwana amagharị maka na osisi dịkara ọnụ. Ndele kazu ahụ ojebe izuzu amusu.
Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Bofia. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Bofia. Yeah. Echego monga. Abago me boy, I forgot me fanny netting one baby. Or to totally jesu baby. One and baby. On your name, if I want it for the one and yaki get away. Give us there way. Again, I'm married and then Bago de day, one and buggy day. What the pocket day, I'm my pocket day. Open me, you waking when the botanos or before we may get one change your mind. Get me even in and we for the nine. If I want nature, I want them can get two. Yeah, a 2 part 2. Yeah, I'm looking for my money and my mind. I achọkwa m ịma onye bụ nwanne pụtakwa etinyekwa n'isi nwanne be nna apịaka ife mmemme gị ife mmemme gị ọ bụ gịnị ka anyị ga-eme n'obodo anyị iwe gwegwuo na nye Say hello to your godfather. I've been here like your forefather. Nkana piaka. Nwanne bere ofuma before you nakpo na banye nwatinye na abele. Munye chapuleti gi na mili bele. Go lisa ko uchito bagi. Makankwa kanoza nwanne yige mepe. Iwa wago useni mepe. Mwaka dia the door when waka dwa the door. Mbata ni mede mwaka siya the net. Mega amara kwa memo hanyigo mega. Yeah, one day if you don't name where them the chiga. Yeah, I've got the bragging right. You working there when you working there. It's a equins. On your own, I've got a measurement. Passing number double. I'm going to more double. One I carry the more double. Yeah. Mano dogo bo dogo. I'm forgetting I get mad. I'm forgetting I get mad. I love my boy there. On your rope, what out? On your rope, what out? Makanipa na mano bodani I carry the far away. I'm on your on the bottom of your day.
Winston! You confirm, Mugla? Movement! Movement!
Ngodo, what happened? Ngodo, Iriam! Ngodo, you don't cross me! Ngodo, you need wrong information!
I did not do anything. You have to believe me, I did not do anything.
So you are the only one that knows about this deal! How come?
You have to believe me, I didn't do anything.
Ngodo, only Kanlanin is alright. Ngodo, Kanlanin is alright.
Now the boss, I did not do anything.
Ngodo!
I did not do anything.
Ngodo!
You have to believe me. Believe me, man.
Hey!
Believe me!
Afano, you gave other people my deal. You gave them my heart and money that I planned for. Oya Nikalanin is alright. Okuya? Ngodo.
The guy, what if I'm mad?
Ngodo Lanin is alright.
What if I'm mad?
Ngodo.
What if I'm mad?
Ngodo.
The guy, he didn't sue me. He didn't sue me. Back out. Back out. He didn't sue me. Because God. No, no, my team, yo. No, no, come,
Ngodo. Ejabo nwanne. Ngodo! Ejabo. What Ejabo? Come on! The guy, this bastard here that will play us. He gave 2 groups the information and made us lose the deal. They them, Elelenesi. Manotu Nkwaga. Who executed the deal?
So they want mama. I saw my phone, please forgive me. Now I got waited for street you, please.
Odile. Odile, you have grown wings. You had the balls to execute my deal. Odile, I was the guy before your mama conceived you. I was the guy when you sucked your mama's breast. I am still the guy now that you are a boy. I will turn your blood to ketchup. Odile, I will suck your blood. Odile ngango barage. Udo! Udo! I want my money. Odile. So, you had the guts to double-cross me to do my deal. The deal that I have arranged. Okay? I want my money now. You have done the job, I need the money now.
Look at me. Do I look afraid? Genti, onye go ya. Yes. That deal is a done deal.
Guy me. A guy. Nobody. It's not possible. Nobody dies a guy. I need that money now. Or ihe get meta.
Why it? Okay, eba unlock now. Obi is a boy, Obi is now a man. Enti na admit get.
I tell you, Obi remains a boy as long as the guy is still in existence. Okoloboda, Obi is a boy.
Hey! Obi enti na Igwe. If you are Igwe, moremodelly.com, okay. Onwe egwu nkita dey play n'isi sinsin. Odile esigo.
Search that house. Bring anybody outside. Ngodo, watch my back.
Right, boss.
Ofe, be vigilant. Come out! Come on! After them.
Just down! Come on! Just down! I said just down!
Back you off, man.
Hey, where is your son?
I am not in good terms with him. I don't know his whereabouts.
Ah. You are a criminal.
No. He's the one that is a criminal. I always quarrel with him over
The
that.
father of a criminal is a criminal. They demonio.
Hey, not in this case. I'm a clean man.
Get up! Liar. Oya, kneel down there. You will join your ancestors.
Oh!
You are a father of a criminal and we will not allow you harboring a criminal in this village. We will not accept that.
I'm not his candidate. Please, now, please. I'm not his candidate. Hey.
Join your ancestors.
Oh,
I would have listened to you, Azodo. I would have listened to you. Azodo, because Azodo chi abulumbatu ka ina potu. Azodo dimo. Hey. Chobazari to Mukebo didn't have Murukugo, Dilimwamo, or Dilimwamo. Oh, Abrazinu mi jele, come out of Rolugo.
Ijele wanya. Stop crying.
Nne, our community is on fire. Hey, Nne, tell me something. Do you know that everybody is on the run, including the Igwe? Hey, this Ejina and his group is turning our community to Gaza. Do you know that this man, Mazi Okonkwo, I saw him and his family this morning in a pickup full of their property, relocating to Meduguri. Hey. Now, I know why the community principal packed and resigned and left our town. Yes. Hey, Nne, we're not safe in this community anymore. Nobody's safe. I even heard how they raped Mazi's Mizu and the wife and the daughter. I'll be joining my sister Tijebo soon because I don't wish to experience my leg forcefully open for a criminal. Hey! Nne, our help is in the hand of the Lord in this community. Who made heaven in this community?
One bought up here there. One park here there. One bought up here there. One park here there. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Bofia. Italy Taja. Italy Taja.
Ejina, you think killing my father will stop me? Ejina, I will not only kill you, but I swear I will ridicule your corpse and make sure you don't rest in peace. It's a done deal. And Captain now are down on Isubo.
Confirm.
Ejina! Ibu Isubu no dogu! Ma be clean up na bono. Anya na funti.
Mba.
Anya na funti.
Mba.
Ni be kwan. Alebu.
Nobodo ebe kwan.
Alebu.
Nobodo ebe kwan. For where now? For where?
Vile mwa mama.
Back in Igom, man. Back in Igom. Try Ejina. Nothing. Oh, mama, nothing. Nothing will happen.
Ejini ibu Isubu no dogu! For that reason, ma be clean up na bono.
One bought up here there. One bought up here there. Italy Taja.
What the hell fire you? They do press up.
Orderly! Isaragon! Orderly! Orderly! I will end you! In one bashi! In one tata! Orderly, I will tell you that I have a dream! My dream is to rule this community for life! That is my dream!
Your legend.
Orderly!
Ejina, no, your legend ends here. In your voice, this is the one what I go. Okay, you go now. I told you I will not only kill you, but I will ridicule you and make sure you don't rest in peace.
Orderly, Mechakukwa! Orderly, Mechakukwa! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ma kwa gina baro. Ma kwa gina baro n'obodo. Ma kwa gina baro Zambia. Na gina baro.
One bottle piade, one park yade, one bottle piade, one park yade. Italy taja, Italy taja, Italy taja, Italy bovia, Italy taja, Italy taja, Italy taja. Italy bovia.
Igwe. This young man sitting here is Odele, the son of late Azodo, whom Chejina killed. He was the one that captured Chejina in revenge of his father's death. Igwe is indeed our hero.
Oh, my son, you are welcome.
Thank you, Igwe.
Hi. Nwata bụ nye nni enu ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayochie ya anya. Kevin Ekudu. Now, Utunko community will have to sleep very well. How can one man defeat the whole community? Ichiobi, you inform our people who left this community because of the terrorism of Ejina to come back, that we are now free and we are safe. My son, it shall be well with you. Well, I know your father in the land of the dead will be very happy, will be very proud of you, and we are proud too. May his soul rest in peace. Amen. And we, the entire populace of Utunhwa community, are proud of you too. By the powers vested on me, I hand you over today the vigilante services of this community.
Igwe, my elders, I greet you. Ndi Igbo si n'ofu onye siere ọra ferisia mana ọra siere ofu onye ya bụ na nsogbu dị. It's a privilege to be in your midst, and trust me, I will do everything within my powers to eradicate crime in our community. The downfall of Ejina is the beginning of a new era, and I promise no evil will prevail under my nose. Thank you, Igwe. Thank you, my elders.
wherever you have some problem, please come to us or come to me. Akanna, we shall have to inform our people that tomorrow there shall be a celebration of a crime-free community. Now tell the steward to kill 10 cows and many jars of wine to celebrate the occasion.
Consider it done.
Yes. Ah, that's right.
Njọ kacha njọ n'ụwa bụ na ya bụ njọ ori. Njọ kacha njọ n'ụwa na oshi ya aka ya mma n'ụwa. Ọ na-egbu mmadụ, ọ na-eme mmadụ nye akwara lie. Shameless ọkwa mma, shame upon you. Look at you. You are here crying. Crying over a criminal that has blood all over his body. You're just crying. Afunukwa. Cry until I will see blood from your eyes. I'm simply seeing ordinary tears. Have to cry so that blood will come out from your eyes. Kama mma bụ onye ori n'ụwa kama ka mgbabi isi akwala. Nna m gwara m agwa kama ị ga-ezu ori n'ụwa kama ị ga-eri ego onye ohi n'ụwa gbaba isi akwala. Hey, put on for gear. Hey, Jina Gurgaga. You never start. Hey, Jina Gurgaga. Put on for gear. Fele mozu. Nna m gwara m agwa kama m ga-eri ife onye ori zutere kama ka mgbabi iti akwala. It's like changing gear. Idiot.
Bịa ugwu nnu.
Hey! Ọ bụrụ gị ka a na-akpọ, ị nọ na-egbu oge.
Bịa ugwu nnu bịa ka I deliver. Move that bill.
Asa, ike wa na ma na-akpọ gị na-asị. Na-akpọ ya ka wa man. Mama na-akpọ gị okwu na ọ ya na-asị ya ọkọ.
Yes. Listen to me very carefully. What about engine guard is okay? What about no one did the one that I put there? What about the point is this: I love you. What about so we go the date now? What about and I promised Eji that I will kill him and take care of his belongings, including you. What about but warning. If you mess with me, I will kill you. I will not only kill you. I will ridicule your corpse and make sure you don't rest in peace. say jumbo give an even not a good. No, yeah, no. You want to go? Far. Get Ukunu, that's your name. Say it. Ukunu. Yabaga. Engine gonna go there. Engine, Yabaga. Ibu go there. I don't know you. Can I? Get up again. Ukunu. What is your name?
My name is okay, Ukunu.
You want to go? Get up again.
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 Ukunu.
You want...
One bottle pier there. One park here there. One bottle pier there. One park here there. It's a later, Aja. It's a later.
All the security, we there. Orderly. Any problem? You know, if you man, pass around with whatever. You know, la whole I want more any which means men at work. So, shall I urge you?
Cola.
Lako.
By this time.
By
this time.
Hey, good no be bawa.
Up there goes the right shot. Yeah. Let me know.
Echeko monga. Abako me boy. Afro me feni na do.
Hey, good no be.
What to the legit so one and Onye neyo. Onye nebe. If I want it for one and you get
what the channel.
He was there when. Again, I'm married and then
5 more.
5 Very stingy.
When the botanos or before we may have one change your mind.
Now, one
If you waste time, cut his leg.
A 2 pop 2. Yeah. I'm looking for my money and my money and my mind. I took me more honey, but one day, but it's in your body, sing one never na piaka. If it may make it. If it may make it. Yeah. I'm not going to get mad over done yet. Say hello to your godfather. I've been here like your forefather. Nkana piaka. One better of ma before you not when I've been what you belly. When you chop to let in a milli belly. Poor gold is a court, which is the buggy. Makanquaka knows on one day he gave me. Useni me mbaka dia the door when mbaka draw the door mbata ni me day mbaka sia the net mega amara kwa me mohanyi go mega yeah one day if you name where him the jiga yeah.
Nemo.
I had a very bad dream last night. In that dream, you were chased by a lot of people and you were stoned to death. Please, you have to be very, very careful, Biko.
Nemo, busy yourself for a long.
If I have a fake mom.
Nemanya ada afunti and ade ebu anebu.
Easy.
So nothing will happen to me.
Amen.
And I'm in charge. I own this community. So
there's another thing I want you to do for me. I want you to go and visit the Great One. I think you have failed in your duties. That's why I am having these bad dreams. Yes. You need to go and visit the Great One. You are the only one I have. And I wouldn't want them to take you out of me. Because endeavor to visit the Great One tonight. Onam.
Nemo, okay. I will do just that. I will visit the Great One and Nemo, we are too serious. Let's forget all these things. Do you need money? Do you need anything?
No. I don't want anything. I don't want anything for now. Will you want to eat food?
Mama, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
Are you sure?
I'm not hungry now. Nem, let me rush. I need to hook up with my boys.
Ijele.
Ijele nem.
Ijele.
Ijele nem.
Ijele.
Ijele nem.
Akayo. They quite careful. Onam.
Hola. Hola. Oh. Ijele nem.
Ijele.
Ijele nem.
Ijele.
Ijele nem.
Ijele.
Eze wa ege.
Akene. Kwabu.
Ijele nem. Eze wa ege.
Nabo.
Orderly! Don't be too fast! For the horns do not grow before the head.
I can't find him. He's gone.
Mwana musinaro, okay bube. Mwana mmade, mwana musinaro. Awa, dike iwe mebie. Iwe mebie. Mwana mmade. Okay mwana. Iwe mebie. Awu. Ha, awa, nsinaro.
Ndala. Anya ada fonti. Ani bukana ani bu ade gu ani bu. Koko, madu idiot.
Njemu ijo boni bonodu matata buleze. Adunwa baleta banuzudia. Adunwa na neke smolu beke. Why do you rematch? Why do you soy?